you ever wanted to learn how to carve stamps uninterrupted, sort of away from everybody so that you can do a deep dive into stamp carving? Well, you're in luck, because I have great news for you, because I'm teaching at a stamp carving art retreat this September at the Smiley Manse in Springfield, Vermont. It's going to be September 12th through the 15th, and it's going to be 4 days of in-depth stamp carving. We're going to be exploring all the different ways that I use my stamps, particularly in mixed media and printmaking and art journals and bookmaking and all the things that I do with my stamps. And I am going to share it all with you. We're going to have a ton of fun, and your mind's going to be blown at how much you're going to learn. And you're going to think, I did all this with a stamp? I carved these beautiful stamps? I'm able to make these beautiful block prints and make these marks with these gorgeous stamps that I created? You're going to be so happy, and I think you don't want to miss it, because we're going to be carving all kinds of things, such as, and maybe some of this. And we're certainly going to learn my watercolor technique, because this one is going to blow your mind. It's definitely going to be one of those retreats where you're going to be so glad that you have uninterrupted time to just explore and delve in and share a mutual love for stamp carving and printmaking. It's going to be hosted by the Smiley Manse in Springfield, Vermont, and it's Jennifer Nelson's art retreat home in Vermont. And you probably know Jennifer Nelson because she's an art agent, and if not, I'll leave her link below as well. And it's just a really quintessential Vermont getaway. It's not going to be peak foliage, but trust me, it's going to be gorgeous. I used to live in Vermont, and believe me, September is gorgeous. We're going to carve a lot of stamps, so come prepared to do some carving and do some stamping and collage and printmaking and all kinds of other things too. And of course, watercolor with your stamps, because that's just too much fun. There's something really special about being able to carve your own imagery and then use that carving for a mark making tool that you can use again and again to explore design and pattern and storytelling and illustration. Even if you're an experienced stamper and you've never used your own images, it's sort of liberating and gives you a sense of creative freedom when you're using your own images and your own designs. You don't want to miss it, and I don't want you to miss it, and we're going to have a blast. And when I'm posting videos late in the fall about what a good time we had, you don't want to be one of the ones watching my channel saying, I think I missed out on that. So be sure to sign up. All right, so I think you get the idea. It's going to be a blast. The link is in the description. I probably already said that a few times, but I look forward to seeing you there.